Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can vote in a messenger group chat poll. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have this test group which I have set up, which already has a poll in here. Now to create a poll, you just want to click on the plus and go into polls and just fill in all the information that you want, which are the question and the options that you have to vote, and to actually vote what you want to do. If you haven't actually voted yet, it won't say change vote, it'll say vote, and you can just click on that. And even if you have already voted and it does say change vote, you just want to click on that and you'll see all the options in the poll. You'll have the option to add another option. However, you can also vote for whichever option you want. You can select or deselect any options you want. You can vote for multiple, or you can vote for just one. Here I'll change it to test 2 and I'll just submit, and as you can see, test 2 has now become the option that I voted for. And similarly to that is the same process that is going to happen if you haven't voted already. All you have to do, for example, let me just showcase it to you. If I remove all votes, it'll say vote. Click on that, click on an option, click submit, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.